Kung pupunta ka ng Bantayan Island, Cebu, don't forget these top 5 destinations. If you're going to book this using Klook, don't forget to use my code BARTSILOGKLOOK to get 5% off. Top 5, Palm Tree Forest, very Instagrammable at pwedeng ipanglaban sa Siargao. Top 4, The Ruins, beautiful sceneries, pwede rin tumalon pero di ko carry. Top 3, Kota Beach Resort, very nice beach na pwedeng tambayan since it's near the city. Top 2, Paradise Beach, hidden beach na hindi na hidden kasi marami nang may alam. Magandang mag-picture-picture dito. Top 1, Omagieka Obuob Mangrove Garden. This is a mangrove site at eto talaga ang must-see for me. Kitang-kita yung ganda ng nature and I am so happy na they are still preserving the habitat of the mangroves. Eto nga may ahas pa. That's it! Please save this video for your next Bantayan trip.